Today we're going to put the key into place. So we have our unit in hand, key in place. All that happens is that little plunger goes in as you press it in. And then what you do is notate the position of the rectangle and then place the rotator approximately the same position. Unit is in place. That was simple. They use two different types at least of ways to lock the cylinder into the column. The first one you see is mine out of the 1980. The pink circled part is the little plastic tab that locks it into place, and you'll note in the column I have circled the portion where it locks into also in pink. You simply insert it, the spring depresses as it goes in, and then the little plastic tab locks into place into the column. To remove it, all you got to do is press down that tab with a flat blade screwdriver and that cylinder will come right back out. At some point they decided that that was possibly too easy to remove from the column, so they came out with a retainer screw assembly. You'll note that the column has both options that could be used. You'll see in the second set of pictures that the cylinder itself has an indentation in it, circled in blue. That's where the screw goes to lock it into place. You'll also note the blue circled portion of the column. That's where the screw goes to hold it in place. So that's the two differences. Just wanted to point those out to you.